Hey everybody, what's up? And today we are having a special edition. Today I'm going to be opening a 2014 opening day Topps baseball. And we do have a special guest here. It is Nathan.
Wow!
He'll be watching me. This is my first box break. So hopefully I'll get something good. And I'm going to try and announce all the names to all the players, but if I accidentally pronounce the name wrong, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's get started. Woo!
Joe, could I open some packs?
Because I want to open it. I'm probably going to do two parts of this. So, yeah. Okay. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to probably open this side today, all of these, and then these sides. So let's get started. Okay, I'm trying to shoot for some mascot cards or autograph cards. Matt Harvey. Our oldest Chapman. Evan Loguera. I got a blue bordered card of R.A. Dickey. Numbered 2014. Desmond Jennings. Carl Crawford and Ryan Braun. To the next one. Jose Altuve. Nolan Arenado. Josh Donaldson. Ooh, 3D card of Evan Longoria. Miguel Cabrera. Christian Yelich. And Albert Pujols.
Is that Albert Pujols good?
Yeah, I think so. Hopefully.
Albert Pujols?
Yes, Albert Pujols. Okay, Trevor Plouffe, Minnesota Twins. I'm going to try and collect Minnesota Twins, so let's just put that off to the side. Ubaldo Jimenez. Can't pronounce that name. Yonder Alonso, yeah. Our first mascot card, Slider, for the Indians. And then we got another blue bordered card of Adam Wainwright. Put that over there. Of 2014. Matt Davidson. Eric Hosmer.
Me too.
What did you just knock over? Okay, on to another pack. Okay, we got Andre Renzo, Jeremy Hellickson, Superstar Celebrations, Carl Crawford, Dustin Pedroia, Pedro Alvarez, Shelby Miller, Future Stars, and Steven Strasburg. Ooh, this one feels kind of thick. Okay. Alex Gordon, Matt Holliday, Julio Teheran, Ryan Braun breaking out, Kyle Seager, Matt Cain, and Jose Fernandez. This one feels even thicker. I don't know how to pronounce that name. You can pronounce that. Troy Tulowitzki. Mike Trout. Fire up.
2014.
Andrew Lambeau. Blue board card. 2014. Nate Shearholtz. Chris Davis. And Clayton Kershaw. Paul Goldschmidt, Shin-Soo Choo, Coco Crisp, Troy Tulowitzki, 3D card, Carlos Gonzalez, Will Middlebrooks, and Carlos Beltran. Brandon Belt, James Shields, Jake Marisnik, Mr. Met mascot card. Woo! Should have started a new pile. Cliff Lee, Martin Perez, and Mike Napoli. Wade Miley, Colton Wong, Joey Votto, Superstar Celebrations, Alex Gordon, Chris Johnson, blue bordered, Todd Frazier, that's a cool card, look at that, bam. Sonny Gray, Francisco Liriano, Anthony Rizzo, Adrian Gonzalez, breaking out, Troy Tulowitzki, I think I already had that card, Jose Bautista, Tim Lincecum, nice haircut, Andrew Lambeau, rookie card. I like his haircut now. Yeah. Hanley Ramirez, Clay Buchholz, Doug Fister, Matt Kemp, fire up, Jimmy Rollins, Adam Wainwright, and Felix Hernandez. Kevin Guzman, Future Stars, Johnny Quinto, Yu Darvish, 3D card, Patrick Corbin, Future Stars, blue bordered, 2014, Jimmy Gomez, Madison Bumgarner, Michael Wacha, Future Stars. Okay, Juan Jinro, Topps, Rookie of the Year. Jason Kipnis, Superstar Celebrations, Mike Napoli. Blue bordered card of Michael Choice. Chris Medlin, Paul Konerko, and Josh Reddick. Okay. Stop. Okay. Manny Machado, Jason Grilli, Sergio Romo, breaking out Bryce Harper, Jonathan Papelbon, Ryan Zimmerman, and Matt Kemp. Okay, 4 packs left till the end of part 1. Looks like Nathan left. Okay. Derek Jeter. Ooh, that's a nice card. Torrey Hunter. Dustin Pedroia. Fire up John Lester, Red Sox. Oh, between innings. Pierogi race. Pittsburgh Pirates. I'm not sure. Kensler. David Wright. That's a nice pack right there. Okay. Just put that right there. Mark Trumbo. Brian Dozier. Brian Dozier. That's a neat card. That will go to my Twins collection. Zach Wheeler. Opening day stars Andrew McCutchen, 3D. Martin Prado, blue bordered card. Austin Jackson. And Brendan Phillips. 2 more. Yuno Escobar, pointing. Ben Revere. Ian Desmond. Okay. Mascot, Orbit for the Houston Astros. Let's save that. Rafael Sereno. Robbie Erlin. And finally, Joe Nathan. Both of the Twins. Sir. Stop. Last pack. Yeah. Last pack. Oh, if I can open that. Okay, last pack for this part. Alfonso Soriano. Will Myers. Junior Lake. Josh Donaldson, Superstar Celebration. Robinson Cano. I didn't know he got traded. Matt Latos. And finally, Patrick Corbin. Future Stars.
Yo, thanks for watching.
So thanks for watching part 1, and see you guys at part 2. Please leave a like, and see you guys later.